In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to set up a mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 laptop. Whether you're sharing your internet connection with friends or using your laptop as a hotspot on the go, this method is super easy and effective. Let's dive right in. First, click on Start. Click on the Settings icon. This side, click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on Mobile Hotspot on the left sidebar. Under Share My Internet Connection From, choose your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Now, scroll down to Network Name and Network Password. You can change these to something memorable. Toggle the switch to on. And just like that, you're connected. And that's it for today's guide on setting up a hotspot on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.